Alright, what is up mga ka-tech shop? So, for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I'm gonna show you how to use the parental control for your PLDT router. Model is HG6245D. Alright, so let me just go to my screen or my computer. Start recording. Okay. So let's go to an internet browser here. I'm just using Microsoft Edge. So to use the, before we start, I'm going to shout out first one of our subscriber or viewer for my YouTube channel. She has a question. I did the parental control. What's the difference of the two? Meaning the two about the MAC filtering. She's referring to MAC filtering. I was working on parental control, trial and error kanina, but still connected pa din yung mga phone na isa ko. By the way, I'm using the new modem model from Globe Fiber, so the system doesn't look like the one in the video. So it doesn't look like, but it should, the feature should exactly be the same, right? Even if it doesn't look the same. So anyway, parental control. So let's discuss what is parental control. So to access the parental control on your PLDT router, go to security, and then you'll find the parental control tab. All you need to do is enable parental control and set the start time and end time. So for example, if you want your kids to be able to use the internet at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., so you can just set 10 at the start time, and this is using 24-hour time format. And then you want to end, you want to let them use the internet until maybe 7 p.m. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we'll put 19 here. So after 19, they won't be able to use the, after 8 p.m., they won't be able to use the internet. So you just need to click apply. But before that, you will need to enable which SSID. So to check the SSID of your internet, also here, you can find it in the advanced tab. So for my 2.4 gigs router, 2.4G router, it's under SSID 1. And for my 5G, it's also under SSID 1, I believe. Yeah, SSID 1. So all we need to do is go to security, parental control, and then enable SSID 1, SSID 1. Then hit apply. And this one is 9 a.m. and then 19. So meaning any devices that are connected to this network or this Wi-Fi, they won't be able to use the internet until 9 a.m. and 8 within 9 a.m. 8 p.m. time. So the difference between the MAC filtering is that MAC filtering, the router will block the devices from using the internet based on the MAC address of the device. So this will ignore the MAC filtering. Whoever is connected to the internet for whether 2.4 or 5G, they will be blocked, or internet will not be provided to those devices. All right. So let's try. So if in case right now it's I want to test it. So it's 1 1:55 p.m. So for example, I'm gonna set this into 13. Let's see if I can still access internet. Right now it's 1:55. So end time is 1 p.m. And if I Google, so this one's connected to net cable. So LAN 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna block this one because I'm using a computer right now. So it should be LAN 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see if I type in Google here, and as you can see, I cannot access the internet. So if I'm going to uncheck the LAN, let's see if we can still access the internet. There, I can access again. So parental control works. If you're interested with this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go.